could he make that much noise in his sleep? Like, is there something up his nose? Or something? What the fuck? How do you stop a person from snoring? You know? I don't know. This is crazy. I'm trying to watch a movie. It's called The Gray. It's a good movie. So shut the fuck up, Ori. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Whatever. Well,